Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website for board games business on Wix easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own website without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first let's enter the site. Now create new site, enter your business type or your website type. So for example, let's choose this. Wait a few seconds, it's preparing your dashboard. Here enter the name of your store, any name you want here. Let's click next. Here if you want to already have an online store, choose one here. What would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products, digital products, and this. So I'm gonna choose them all. Where will you like to sell? Mobile app, in person, and marketplaces and social media. So now continue to dashboard. Now design your site. So here, how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or here if you want to customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. Now wait a few seconds, and here enter your information, your email, your address, and your phone, and here the social account if you want to add social link here. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. Pick your favorite homepage design. Next, here add pages to your site and continue. Here your website is ready, and if you want to edit more your website, you can go here. This is the settings of the website. You can add elements. So here the first section is the text section. If you want to edit the size or the type of the writing, the theme text, the titles, and the paragraphs. So let's move on to the image. If you want to looking for something here, if you want to show more image, so let's move on to the button. Here you can also edit the shape or the size of the buttons, your themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons, and the iTunes buttons. Here the last thing is the pay buttons and the PayPal buttons. So let's move on to the strip. Here the strip, if you want to edit classic or featured or about services, contact and the welcome, testimonials, and the team. So let's move on. Decorative, the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines, the vector art, the featured icons and animals and nature, the logos and badges and the characters, the video settings, the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. So let's move on here. The box, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. So let's move on here. The gallery, the recommended galleries, pro galleries, the guide galleries, and the slider galleries. And here if you want to show more galleries here, so let's move on to the menu and anchor. The same the menus, the horizontal menus, and the vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation if you want to edit the anchors, the in-page menu, and the last thing here is the site search. Let's move on to the contact and forms. The contact forms, the order, the registration, donation, the application, and the feedback, the request and the waiver, and the subscribe. All these is forms. And the Google Maps, here the maps, if you want to edit the maps, then the full width. And the last thing here is chat. So let's move on to video and music. If you want to edit the video settings, single video players, Wix video, video box, video mask, and transparent video. And here the music settings, the audio players, the Wix music, SoundCloud player, and Spotify player, and iTunes button. So let's move on to the interactive, the slideshows, the boxes slideshows, the full width slideshows. Here the light boxes, here the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs, the repeaters, the over repeaters. So let's move on to the next. Here the list settings, the repeaters, the over repeaters, and the blank repeaters. So the these sections here, the embed code. Here you can edit your embed code settings. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to do single video players, if you want to edit the audio settings and the advanced settings and the animation, also the social bar if you want to edit the Facebook or the Twitter or the Pinterest or the VK and line bars. Also here if you want to edit the YouTube section. So let's move on to payment settings. Here you can edit the payment settings, the CMS. You can also manage your site content and the blog. Here you can edit your store settings, the bookings. You can edit the bookings here settings, the events and the community. Here you can edit the forum and the groups and online programs. And the last thing here is your designs. So let's here if you want to add a section, you can just select any section here you want. So let's move on to the next. Here if you want to add page and menu, here if you're looking for some page you want to add. So let's move on. Here if you want to design your site, the color theme, if you want to edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. The next thing here if you want to add apps, if you want to manage the business. And then next here if you want to upload your media, if you want to looking for something here, and here the same as if you want to manage your site content. And the last thing here is marketing and SEO settings. So after you're done from this, here if you want to move your sections, if you want to move it down or move it up, if you want to do a quick edit, and if you want to explore, if you want to sections layout, here if you want to more actions, duplicate or delete the section or copy or cut. So that's it for today. That's how to do it. Now after you design and complete designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.